Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But a nice bounce around the day. I mean, you stop and think about the fact of where the price was at its lows and then where the price was able to fight back to. Now, don't get me wrong. The chart still has a lot more work to be done. But my point here being is it's shown some nice strength. It's shown some upwards movement. But that brings about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine momentum, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, moving forward, that level is all about $2.17. And that level is important and helpful. And I'm not saying at all if this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to that area, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where the price just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, then started to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.17. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch moving forward is all about that pink line up there. It's on my chart to notes. The very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and current value of that is right up there around the $2.27 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But all in all, any way you look at it, nice solid movement today, nice little bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.